Alright guys, in this video we're going to show you how to edit and add stops and stop info. So this view is from your My Drive view. So in your top left corner, you're going to see that menu button again. So you're going to tap that. You're going to go to Manifest. And this is an option I can't really show you. I can just show you how to access it because of the environment that I'm in. So from your Manifest, you'll see this barcode icon right there. So if you tap that, that's going to bring up a camera and you can scan your labels that's on your packages. The one exception that I've noticed is the barcode. It does not pick up a label that has just a barcode. If it has the QR code and the barcode, it'll read it that way. So that's just something you got to keep in mind. So if for some reason you can't scan your package, that is the way I prefer to do it because it's super fast and convenient. If you for whatever reason it's not picking up your barcode and you got to add it manually, this is how you do it. So you'll go back, hit that back button, go back to your My Drive, somewhere close to being on your route. It's easier if you do it from your route. So you'll manually put your finger down and you're going to drop a pin. So if you have a pickup that's not listed, you would select pickup, but it defaults by delivery. Shows your latitude, longitude, so you're going to edit it by clicking details. You will put in your address here. And this is where Mr. John Doe lives. And his phone number, if you need it, would go here. And you'll hit save. So, all right, right there it says new stop added, and boom, it just popped up down here. So we're going to click on it just to verify. John Doe, 123 Nowhere Road. His phone number is in there. It'll give you directions if you hit that tab while you're navigating. So if we need to edit that information, you're going to click on that, hit edit right up here. And let's say he's got 3 packages now. You'd hit save. So now it shows it's got 3 packages down here. Edit again because he has a gated driveway, and you're like, oh, his gate code's 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is very important. Your stop instructions and your address notes. Your stop instructions are temporary notes. Your address notes are permanent. So for that gate code, you would put right here. Stop instructions is if you're the type of the driver that likes to put your package descriptions down, you're going to put, so in this case, he's got 3 large Walmart boxes. And I can't spell this morning, so auto-corrected for me. I appreciate that, Ground Cloud. So you're going to hit save, and I'll show you what that looks like. Hit your back button. So now from your stop label, it gives you all the information that you put in. And this is why I pointed out the notes for the address notes is permanent, because it'll always be displayed when you're driving and you pre-selected that for your next destination. Your instructions give you what your package is, or if it's a temporary note that you need to add for whatever reason. So on that note, we have noticed that if you get dispatched by your Ground Cloud administrator and you have made these instructions, they will fall off. So if you use that feature, you need to be dispatched before you start editing that info. We haven't really figured out how to get that fixed yet. There will be a Ground Cloud phone number posted in each of my videos somewhere up top to where you can see it. Write it down, and if you need to call them, for whatever reason, you can. And again, that's a brief overview of how to edit and add stops. So one real quick thing I want to show you is, if that stop is pretty close, but it's not in the exact location, if you zoom in on it, so I can verify that that's the correct address, but let's just say that we need to move the pin. So if you click on it, whoops, I'm sorry, let me disregard that. Go back. You go back into edit your stop. Up here, that's how you move the pin. It'll prompt you. Okay. So you can hold your finger on it, and now some devices, like an Android device, you can just click on a different area. But let's just say we want to move it over here. So see how if you hold your finger on it, you can move it and drag it anywhere you want to. That's how you adjust it to get it precise. So we're going to move this right up here onto Juanita's Way, right here. Bam, save. And so it's moved it back over there to Juanita's Way. So that's how you that's how you edit a stop, add info, and move a pin if you need to.